Come here. There's not no reason. If y'all would stop, I'd stop following you. Just stand by the van right there. I just want to talk to y'all. That's it. We're not trying to talk to y'all, bro. Okay, well, I'm trying to talk to you. I'm giving you a lawful order to stop. That's no lawful order. Yeah, it is. All right. Go ahead, Mom. So that you're not listening to police. Okay, that's fine. You're not gonna touch me, bro. You're not gonna touch me. You're on me for no reason. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. I'm telling you for no reason. I'm telling you. He on me for no reason. He on me for no reason, bro. We gotta go to our parents' house. We gotta go to our parents' house. He on me for no reason. He on me for no reason. He on me for no reason. I'm trying to go to our parents' house. No, you're not. If you gotta talk to me. I'm doing it. I did nothing. You want to talk now? You ain't touch me, bro. You ain't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Okay, bro. That's fine. Don't touch me. You're not under arrest. Hey, did I say you're under arrest? No, we just want to talk to you. Huh? He's gonna take off as soon as we run. Hey man, I just want to talk to you. All I have to do is ask you questions. Y'all made it harder than it needed to be. On the way to our fucking friend house, bro. Okay, that's fine. And you'll be on your way once we're done talking to you. Hey, stop running. If you run, you're gonna get tased. I'm letting you right now. If you run, you're gonna get tased. 6-1 taser. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground. Put the phone down. Lay down. On your stomach. Good. I'm Deputy Caleb, Fort Bend County Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you, man, is we're working an investigation in the area, okay? Right now, all we know is that someone was robbed at gunpoint. I asked you two to stop, and you started running from me. No, we was walking. Okay, well, when... How old are you? Okay, when a law enforcement officer gives you an order to do something, you have to comply. You know that, right? You know you're lucky that you're safe, right? That no one hurt, that you didn't get hurt. I know. I'm telling you. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Okay. You can tell we have nothing, bro. I can't tell that. Okay?
He said one of them had colored dreads. He's the only one with dreads, right?
Yeah, colored dreads?
Yeah, okay.
Look down for me. Thank you. Help you.
I'm just trying to see who the officer was that had him detained.
Oh, it was me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Officer Cole.
Yeah.
What happened?
So we had a call of an aggravated robbery with a weapon, right? So there was a description that two black males were robbed somebody at gunpoint. Okay.
That was it? Just two black males?
No. So it was two black males. They were walking down West Airport. Okay. I saw these two young men walking down West Airport as I was driving over there.
Mm-hmm.
I turned back around. I come to find them. I end up finding them over here on Old Richmond Road. Okay. They see me and they immediately start running.
Mm-hmm.
So last I knew, there was armed robbers and they were on the road that they were walking.
Mm-hmm.
These young men, they see me, they start running.
Mm-hmm.
I catch up to them. I ask them, "Hey, stop! I just want to talk to you. I just want to ask you some questions." They say no. They keep walking.
Right.
At that point, it's a lawful order from a law enforcement officer to stop. Okay, I'm conducting an investigation. They have to stop and talk to me. I catch up to him here. Ask him again. No, so I finally catch him. I grab Elijah, and he tenses up. He starts pulling away. He starts trying to fight me. So
right, because he's not under arrest.
Correct, but he is legally detained at that point.
Under suspicion, right?
Yes.
So what was the description he was given?
It'll all be in the report.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll all be in the report.
And where did the robbery take place?
Over on West Airport.
West Airport and what?
It'll be in the report, man. I can't divulge too much of the details because
it's an active investigation.
Yeah, and you're not directly involved. Yeah.
Neither was he.
At the time, we didn't know that.
Okay.
It was. We were still conducting the investigation. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any other officers detained him, or just you?
I was the main one. I was held by another officer.
All right, because he's shaking up.
I understand that. I completely understand
Yeah.
that. And I spoke to his mother, and yes, right now he's not involved in any of this, but he wouldn't have been involved even less if they would have just listened to me. That's all they have to do. I asked them to stop. They weren't doing anything wrong.
Right.
They knew they weren't
But
doing
he has a
anything.
right to say no, and he don't have to answer any questions if he's not under arrest.
Okay, yes, that's correct. But if I ask him to stop
He doesn't have to.
during an investigation, I was conducting an
He
investigation.
didn't know that. You asked him to stop, he said no. You gave him a question, not a command.
No, I told him to stop. I said, you need to stop. And then they said no. I said, you are legally detained. They kept walking. I said, I've given you a lawful order. They kept walking.
Okay. And the probable cause you had was what?
I don't have problems. I had reasonable suspicion.
Okay.
There's a difference.
Right, because you didn't have probable cause, so he could have left. Reasonable suspicion means that he could leave. Probable cause means that you had a reason. He matched the description, this, that, and the third.
No, man, that's incorrect.
Okay.
But I was legally within my right to do what I had.
Okay. All right.
They don't want to be in the report. They have the report.
With the new Ultimate Hut Bundle,